Hey everybody, welcome back to Trinity Dairy. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, check out our merch store. We'll have a link down below in the description. It's Tuesday, July 19th today, 2022. Kind of humid again today, not quite as hot as yesterday, but we got my grandpa's hay all baled yesterday. So I think today I've got some more hay, some rented ground I'm going to start cutting. They're talking chances of rain all week, but I don't know, I'm not going to wait around forever for that. A lot of it I think is just scattered storms. You might get hit, you might not, so we're gonna chance it and cut some more hay. But anyway, this morning the kids have been cleaning out calf pens. They got a load of manure loaded up, so we got the spreader on little Franklin here. Justin's gonna try his hand at spreading his first load of manure. It's not overly full just because we're spreading it on hay field, so I don't want it up above the beaters, otherwise it leaves too big of clumps laying around. So anyway, we're going to take it up there and get it spread out. I'll fire it up. All right, we're out here at the hay field just waiting for Justin to get here. It's actually not too bad a second crop coming up here. I don't usually like hauling manure on hay fields when they're growing up this tall, but I needed the only spot I got for it, and this is about the poorest field I've got for second crop. So if we get enough rain, it might work it in. Otherwise I might just let the cows graze it out here till some of this manure kind of works its way down, because sometimes you get these clumps. I don't want to drag them into the bales, but this field should really get plowed again anyhow. But I've hauled a couple loads out here over the last few days. There he comes. See where I've gone here? Just go right on this side of where I went. Okay, you can go in second. Yeah, you want to make sure it's in low range, otherwise your PTO will spin too fast, but it should be in low. You know how to put the PTO on? Okay, there's a lever on the other side behind your boot. Yep, should go back. Went back? Okay, then once you get going, just give her full throttle and then just keep following where I went. And I'll follow alongside of you. be it. Got the PTO off. All right, bring it back up to the yard. You can just loop around here and go back. It's kind of where I went around here. All right, everybody, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. I've got it out to this hay field out here. Had Jen give me a ride home, so I got a vehicle out here to get home with. Start doing some cutting. There's way more hay here than there was last year. We took one cutting off of here last year, and then the second cut was so thin we just took the stock chopper out and just kind of mulched it back for compost. And I think that probably did help this year, and we got a lot more moisture this year too. So, and it's nothing fancy. I mean, it's getting kind of old now. There's a little bit of clover. This was new seeding a couple of years ago, but it got so dry that kind of burnt off. So there's some timothy out here and stuff, but it'll still make good feed for the dry cows and heifers. So we'll get rolling here and get some hay on the ground. Hey everybody, welcome back. July 21st. Got all this hay cut. I'm just going to start tedding it now. A lot of this was pretty heavy, so I think it should be tedded. Supposed to be nice today and nice tomorrow, and then they're talking some rain Saturday. So hopefully we can get this baled before then. I don't think that'll be a problem. It's drying pretty good. It did get a little bit of rain on it, but not much. I'm going to put the hitch pin clip in here and we'll be ready to go. I was going to have Justin do some tedding, but I just brought the tedder over here because I already had the John Deere, and he can run this tractor, but this has got a two-stage clutch for the PTO, and it's really, you got to have it pushed all the way right down, and he doesn't quite have enough leg strength yet to do that, so I'll do some tedding today. Got everything tedded yesterday, other than one spot that was really dry, so I just left that. Jen's dad, he's out raking for me now. Got the round baler here in the tractor. I did not grab the other battery, and I don't have a lot left, so I probably won't get a lot of footage today, but we'll try to get a little bit of baling here. Seems pretty dry. It was actually pretty dry yesterday. There was places where there was a lot of trefoil in it. That was kind of tough, so I think I might skip the outside, leave that sit a little bit, because some of that just got into the sun here a little bit ago. So we'll fire up and get rolling.